Mitraya Namaha. Thank you for being with Energy Circles. May your life be full of positive energy. High energy invocation through Hanuman meditation. 15 minutes quick booster. Do this anytime you need extra energy, confidence, protection, shielding. If you are preparing for exams or any interviews or challenges, invoke Bhagavan Hanuman. He is Vayuputra, highly powerful. He represents one of the Panchabhutas and his energy is unlimited. You can call him whenever you need that extra energy and confidence boost in your life. Remember the fundamental secret: Hanuman responds only to such dedicated sadhaks who carry high regards and respect towards the female. Pure mind absorbs positive energies. Just close your eyes, touch the tip of your tongue to your palate, and keep your backbone straight. Get ready to dissolve into a very powerful Hanuman meditation. Just 15 minutes quick booster, high energy invocation through Hanuman meditation. Keep on inhaling and exhaling. Understand the basic logic. When you are inhaling the pure oxygen, and when you exhale, you expel the carbon dioxide. Similarly, as you are breathing in, feel that your body is going into a very silent, calm mode. As you are inhaling, feel the sound of the inhalation as a so. Hold the breath for a second, for few seconds, and release it as you feel the sound of exhalation as hum. Inhale so. Hold. Exhale hum. Inhale so. Hold. Exhale hum. While you are inhaling, feel the high positive cosmic energies penetrating into every inch and atom, cell and molecule of your body. Relax every inch and atom of your body. Totally relax yourself as you just inhale and exhale. You are a beautiful creation of God, and there is nobody else exactly like you. You are unique. As I count from 1 to 5, go deeper and deeper and deeper. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You have reached a very silent, calm mode. Watch your third eye region as you keep on rhythmically breathing. While you are inhaling, feel the bright light of the Surya, sun god, descending down from the sky to pass through the huge Shamantakamani, brighten further, amplify and glorify as it gently touches your scalp and goes into your body. Feel the liquid light spreading all over your body, inside and outside. Your body has become very calm, light and cool. Watch your whole brain illuminated. Your eyes become more brighter. Your skin is glowing. Your heart, lungs, liver, kidneys, and pancreas are totally vitalized. Your backbone is glowing like an unbreakable, flexible neon light. Feel at the tailbone region the beautiful energy accumulating there. Inhale and exhale. Now, with a pure mind as you are inhaling in the positive energies, exhale the negative energies inside you. Inhale high spiritual protection energies and exhale all the negative evil energies out. Inhale confidence. Exhale all the fears and phobias. You are being totally protected by Hanuman. Feel the beautiful, sparkling image of Hanuman seated upon the mountain top. As you are looking at him, feel the light, a beam coming towards you. See Hanuman there. Inhale and exhale as you chant along with me mentally. Don't chant it louder. Hear the beautiful, motivating Hanuman mantra. Chant this miracle mantra silently inside while you have grounded yourself deep into meditation. Hanuman is Shivamsha Sambhuta. He is Vayuputra. He is a Chiranjeevi. He is all the time around you if you invoke him. Feel the energy, he responds very quickly. Before you think of Hanuman, if you want to feel his energies, it is very important to utter the name Ram. Om Ramaya Ramadutaya Namaha. Chant it just once and feel the doors opening. Visualize Lord Hanuman before you, far away upon the mountain tops. See him in a meditative posture, but his right palm is blessing you. He is hearing you. Invoke Hanuman to come into your life and guide you at every pace and move. You can immediately feel the energies and you are well protected from the evil and devil. All the negative energies and vibrations which try to touch you will simply melt away. Long-standing complication problems and negativities will be totally blown away. You will find the missing keys to the beautiful heaven of fortunes. Keep chanting this beautiful mantra or simply hear this mantra very carefully. This is a very, very, very powerful mantra. Om Namo Bhagavate Hanumantaya Harimarkataya Prakataya Shri Ramadutaya Hrim Klim Namaha. Om Namo Bhagavate Hanumantaya Harimarkataya Prakataya Shri Ramadutaya Hrim Klim Namaha. Om Namo Bhagavate हनुमन्ताय हरिमर्कटाय प्रकटय श्रीरामदूताय ह्रीं क्लीं नमः। ॐ नमो भगवते हनुमन्ताय हरिमर्कटाय प्रकटय श्रीरामदूताय ह्रीं क्लीं नमः। ॐ नमो भगवते हनुमन्ताय हरिमर्कटाय प्रकटय श्रीरामदूताय ह्रीं क्लीं नमः। ॐ नमो भगवते हनुमन्ताय हरिमर्कटाय प्रकटय श्रीरामदूताय ह्रीं क्लीं नमः। ॐ नमो भगवते हनुमन्ताय हरिमर्कटाय प्रकटय श्रीरामदूताय ह्रीं क्लीं नमः। As you are chanting the mantras, visualize Lord Hanuman from the mountain top coming closer and closer to you, very closer. Ask him whatever you want and see him smiling, and feel the Hanuman becoming a small speck and entering your heart chakra. Let all the negativities clear. May you be totally shielded from all evil and devil. May all the negative programmings be wadded away. May all the blockages clear. Whatever you study will remember. Whatever is your goal, you'll be focused. Whatever you learn, it will be recorded mentally. You will develop a lot of concentration and you will build high memory power. Any interviews, exams or challenges, Bhagavan Hanuman is there with you. All you have to do, if you have done this meditation constantly, just chant this beautiful mantra once. Om Namo Bhagavate Hanumantaya Harimarkataya Prakataya Shri Ramadutaya Hreem Kleem Namaha, and focus upon the intention and see the miracle manifesting. It is quick, fast and powerful. This miracle mantra silently should be chanted inside while you have grounded yourself deep into meditation. But during an application or when you are doing a prayoga, you can simply chant this mantra once. It is very, very powerful. Just a 15 minutes quick booster, high energy invocation through Hanuman meditation. Relax your body. You are totally vitalized and energized. There is so much of energy in your eyes and in your palms. Trust me. I count back from 5 to 1 and the meditation comes to an end. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Open your eyes with a smile. Rub both your palms and rub your face and smile. Relax. You are empowered with the wonderful Hanuman meditation and the powerful mantra. Digvijayi Bhava, Aditya Sakshi, Sampurna Raksha, Sri Ramanjaneyaya Namaha. ॐ तच्छं योरावृणीमहे गातुं यज्ञाय गातुं यज्ञपतये दैवी स्वस्तिरस्तु नः स्वस्तिर्मानुषेभ्यः ऊर्ध्वं जिगातु भेषजम् शन्नो अस्तु द्विपदे शं चतुष्पदे ॐ शान्तिः 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 ॐ पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते ॐ शान्तिः 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 आदित्योऽहं घृणिसूर्य आदित्यवो घृणिसूर्य आदित्य पूर्णानन्दाय वो सर्वे जनाः सुखिनो भवन्तु लोकाः समस्ता सुखिनो भवन्तु दिग्विजयोस्तु शुभमस्तु श्रीरस्तु हरि ओम तत्सत्।
Mitraya Namaha. Welcome to Energy Circle's VSP 1080 channel. Thank you for the amazing response. Please do not forget to pass it on and subscribe. Thank you very much. Aditya Sakshi Sampurna Raksha.